Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Osee GoStream Deck. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now this is the Osee GoStream Deck. It's an all-in-one professional live streaming solution. It's got a multi-camera video mixer and switcher built in, and it's just packed full of features. It's even, just here, and I'll show you this very shortly, got a 14-inch 1920 by 1080p full HD screen. It's got cheese plates all the way around for various mounting options. It's got lots of inputs and outputs. I'll run through all of that with you during this video. Now first of all, let me just show you what you get inside the box. Well, it comes supplied in this carry case. It's all built into this case. A very, very rugged case, absolutely superb. And in addition to this, we do get some sort of warranty and support information. We also get a quick start guide, and this is going to guide you through all of the inputs and outputs, how to get everything set up and running. We also get an SD extender sort of ribbon cable. We also get this cable as well, and then we get this 12 volt DC adapter cable, which you can run it off of 12 volts if you're running this sort of whilst you're out and about. This is really a solution that you can use in the studio but also on location as well. Now before I give you another look inside the case, let's just close this just for ease, and we'll have a look at the back panel. So if you see here, we've got all of the inputs and outputs. So we have got the attachment here for the IEC power cable. Of note, there wasn't one inside the box. There's also microphone 2 input here. We've got 4 HDMI ins. We've got an HDMI out. We've also got 2 USB-Cs. We've got an Ethernet connection. On this side here, we have got a 5 volt DC out, and that's a USB-C. We've also got a DC input as well here, which is 11 to 17 volts. I mentioned cheese plates. They're basically these threaded plates that are attached on this side here. There's also one on the bottom panel just here, and then there's also one just here, and these are very useful because it will allow you to mount your GoStream onto perhaps a rack, but also attach accessories to it as well. So let's have a proper look inside. We've got really strong catches on the front, and then when we open this up, we're presented with the main control panel. I also mentioned earlier there is a 14-inch full HD screen built in as well. So this is great. You can monitor all of your inputs and outputs on here as well. There is a little notice just here that mentions to protect the screen not to have any items or accessories inside this area. So that's really important. I would also, this is just me personally, this USB-C cable is left, it's attached but it's loose here. I would probably put some little bit of padding around there as well, just in case it made its way up onto the screen. We've got 2 power switches. One is the main power, the other one is the fan. The fan is here. It's very, very silent fan. We've also got a mic 1 input. We've got a phone input as well. We've also got USB-C coming out just here. This is DC in 9 to 17 volts. So you can really make this a portable solution. Underneath here is the serial number. And then this construction inside, as well as the really rugged outer case, this is all pressed metal, really neatly done. And then we've got these portions here that are holding everything into position. So this holds this control deck into position. We've got an SD memory card slot down the bottom here. And this is your switching panel. This, you've probably seen something familiar or similar to this in other products. This is the GoStream control panel. And from here we've got an additional power button. We have got some program buttons just here. We've got some auxiliary and still controls just here. Mixing controls, cutting controls just here. We've got a fader control to transition between your inputs. And then we've also got some extra controls here for recording and playback, menu system, and also mic controls over here as well. It's really neatly laid out. Now if you do need a live streaming solution, you can use this situated within a studio, and it works absolutely fine in that situation. But the scenario that I really see this built for, purely because it's a fully portable solution built into this really rugged case, is if you're live streaming on location. And for that, being able to input your 4 HDMI sources and then get that source out to your live stream is absolutely superb. I think they've done a great job on the design, a great job on the feature set. The 14-inch screen is absolutely brilliant. The power solutions I think could be a little bit better explained inside the instruction manual. There's a bit of a learning curve here for getting this set up, and the powering solutions just could do with being specified a little bit better inside the instructions. But apart from that, once you've got this up and running, it's a really great solution. This is the Osee GoStream Deck, and I really recommend that you check this out. If you want to purchase one for yourself, there are links in the video description along with a link to the manufacturer's website. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I publish a new tech video pretty much every single day, so please do subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks again. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.